Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about the e-commerce platform. Why this platform is good for you as a beginner. Shopify is very beginner friendly and easy to use platform to build a $0 to $1 million business on their platform. So you have to spend single amount of money every month for their hosting charge, and you will access all kind of features on there. Their hosting is very fast. I found most of the people they are operating $1 million business on Shopify platform, and I just love to work with that. If you want to run your business with Shopify, then I will give a link on this video description. Just simply click on the link and you will get the $1 per month, like $3 for first 3 months, like you will run your business. So for it's actually very affordable if you are a beginner. Like 3 months is a huge time to run or establish any business if you are very serious about that. Okay, so I'm not talking about you will be a millionaire in this three month. Not, it's a huge enough that you can run your business, and you can also your business will be fine, like 0 to 5. That's enough. It's if you are expert, you will do that. So that's actually I wanted to talk about on this video. So if you love it, then you can subscribe to my channel. It will help me to continue working on this channel. Okay, so just visit my video description and try to open the Shopify store. If you don't know how to open Shopify store account, in my next video I'll show you how you can start your first e-commerce website with Shopify. So see you on the next one.